My dishlex dx403 is showing error 30. How do I fix it?
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years and currently work for a well-known manufacturer. Error code .30 is a water leak in the base or anti-flood switch. What you need to do is pull the dishwasher out and remove the top and both side panels, and from there look and see if there is any water in the base. If so, dry it up and then retry the dishwasher and watch it very carefully with the side panels off and see if you can see where the water is leaking from. If there is no water in there and it's still showing the .30 error code, then remove the bottom base and there you can see the flood switch. Check the Ploitstrin float isn't jammed or stuck, keeping it activated. But that's what the .30 error code means on these. It's a water leak in the base as the flood switch has been activated. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.